Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Sheila Agustina. I come from Bilingual Physics Education 2022. Here, I will explain about experiment procedure physics in media flow card. So, this is the assignment from Education Media for Physics course. If you want to hear my explanation, just follow this video. The first material is about calculate the minimum force to start the block moving if the static friction coefficient is known to be U and S, or U static. Before we entering the main material, we must know about the learning objective from this material. So the learning objective is understand how to calculate minimum force systematically and significantly through static friction. From the start, we can see there is figure for a free body diagram for a block with friction on a skateboard. From the picture, we can see there is a four line that can showing us the force minimum and then the U and static. And the next, we must do sum of the forces in the y-axis direction. We using formula sigma Fy equal to 0 and minus V equal to 0 and equal to V equal to massa cross gravity. After that, we sum of the forces in the direction of the x-axis with another formula. Sigma Fx equal to 0, F minus Fx equal to 0, F equal to Fx, F equal to Px cross N equal to Px cross massa cross gravity. And then, after all the steps, the result is the minimum force to move the block is equal to the static friction coefficient multiplied by the normal force of the block. Okay, the next material is calculate the acceleration of the spring when it is released at stretch delta x. The learning objective is created formula steps to calculate acceleration when stretching x. From the start, there is figure 1, free body diagram for a spring and mass m. From the picture, we can see the picture showing us free body diagram for a spring and we can understand the mass of m. The next steps is number of force acting in the x-axis direction is non-existent. Then, the number of force acting in the y-axis direction giving this formula. Sigma Fy equal to mass cross acceleration, Fp minus V equal to mass cross acceleration, and K delta x minus m cross g equal to mass cross acceleration. The next steps, the magnitude of the acceleration value obtained from the release of the strand with this formula. Acceleration equal to K delta x minus mass gravity shared to mass. That formula is the final result of calculate the acceleration of the spring. Next, we discuss about calculate the external work of the gas. With learning objective, applied external work of the gas calculation through flow chart steps. Okay, the first steps is find out the initial volume and heat isobarically. The next steps, find the final volume from the initial heated volume. Next, we must calculate the gas pressure. And then, we calculate the size of the external gas using the previous formula. With all the steps before, we can using the formula work equal to P delta V. And the final steps is simply the formula so that it can be substituted with the variables that have been calculated. There is work equal to P V2 minus V1. Okay, the last material is how to calculate specific heat. With the learning objective, knowing the procedure for calculate specific heat according to the exact steps through preparing a flow chart. With the first steps, there is understand the term used to calculate specific heat. Like how about the value of mass, quantity, temperature, and the last is calor. And then, learn the equation for specific heat with formula delta Q equal to mCp delta T, Cp equal to Q shared to mass delta T. After that, we must to studying the equation before. First, you have to look at the equation to knowing what you need to do to find specific heat. Then the next steps, list the known and unknown factor. Like the example, write down the known and the unknown variables to better understand what you are doing. Then, plug the known factor into the equation. You already know the values of all the variables except color P, so you need to plug the other values into the original equation and find color P. And the final steps, with final result, we must to solve the equations. We plug it in known factors into the equation. Just use simple arithmetic to solve it. Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help you to understand about the better flowchart media in the physics education. So, thank you for your time and your attention. Goodbye.